Alright, welcome to another fishing style video for another week. Today we're doing something that we've never done before. We're going to a spot that's basically fresh water. Not even sure you're allowed to fish here. This is a man-made lake. Pond. Yeah, it's not a lake. It's
more like a pond.
But yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing. Let's just get into the video, maybe cut to some B-roll, and then just do the usual flow of a fishing style video as it is now. And by the way, thank you for all the support on all the recent videos. I know you guys have been loving that new style that we've been doing. We're gonna keep doing that. Let's go.
Then you're just open so I can read your heart. I need to get inside, or I will start a war. Wanna look at the pieces that make you who you are. I wanna build you up and pick you apart.
Alright, okay.
Releasing a video to sell them.
We were meant to release a video yesterday, but we didn't because someone couldn't be bothered, wasn't bothered to edit. Anyway, okay, so we moved spots. By the way, does anyone remember me? Anyway, this is from a while back. I don't know if anyone remembers Nick. Hopefully there's some eels and catfish or whatever around. Alright, let's go.
Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you.
Alright, okay, so anyway, here's the spot. This is like spot number 5 or something that we've been today. Hopefully we actually catch something here. Tristan switching off the lures, it stings like things I can't... Okay. Yeah, there's like a sewer treatment plant thing down there. So that's probably the reason why it stinks. Other than that though, we're just gonna probably fish here. It's probably filmed with blues, so it's like a spot where we can go there and probably catch a broom. I don't really know. Yeah, let's just get into this video.
And can I touch your face before you go? I'll collect your scales, but you don't have to know. Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out, inside out.
Do you have something?
Oh, move. Just get out of the way.
Is it?
Get out of the way.
Yes, honey. Oh, cod. It's a cod. My first cod. Yes.
What a cod before.
No, first cod. Oh, that's the thing I freaking...
It's probably the thing that...
I reckon it could have been.
Yeah.
It probably was. Gee, that didn't fight a hole with it.
Yeah, it's cod for you.
That is cool.
Swallowed the hook
Pretty
as well.
good looking cod though. You could see the hook sticking out of his gills.
I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. Inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out.
Alright guys, that's it. That's going to be this video. Thanks for watching. That was great, wasn't it?
Not really, it's really hot.
Alright, I just ran I ran 2Ks twice. How long is that, Tristan? Do the maths.
7.
yeah, that's the state we're in right now. Basically, that's it. Thanks for watching. I was gonna try and get the lens. I was gonna get the lens cap and do the lens cap closey thing because that's really satisfying to look at, but I can't be bothered to find it. So,
Boom.